So Pearly, I read your question. Pearly is a long time follower of my account, and I really appreciate that she is always looking at my posts, liking, plus looking at all my stories. All these are I 看在眼里 one, I know. So for those of you who have been looking at my stories without fail, I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much. Pearly's question for me is, what if you have a couple client who are indecisive and always, I don't know, then never mind. Worst is they always quarrel. What do I do? Wow, very tricky there. Of course I've met clients who are not in agreement with each other in terms of what they want. Like the husband wants something, the wife wants something. But usually, right, they will know what they will give and take, so it's not so bad. And when they really don't know, right, they will let me decide as a designer, which I think is fair. So I always think there's a best solution out of every situation, and I believe we can make everyone relatively happy. Not super happy, relatively happy means there must be something that I can satisfy for you, husband. Then I can also satisfy the wife, B. But at the same time, all these satisfying of conditions must be in line with the whole design objective and not chaparang until the whole end product is 四不像 one. So I must really put my stamp on it as a designer and say, you know, I hear you. I will try to incorporate whatever you want. I hear you also. I will try to incorporate what you want. But at the end of the day, right, it's me who can decide how the things go, and then you all see whether it makes sense for you or not. Otherwise, right, you make everybody happy, right, in the end the result will be like shit, because the design will be neither here nor there, which is what we don't want, because clients engage us as designer to cover all the aspects, whether design wise, function wise, preference wise, and all that. So I think a lot has to do with how we rely on our EQ to wriggle out of the situation. There's no two ways about it one. I think it's a matter of hearing everyone and making them know that their voices are heard. But then you all must also listen to my voice as a designer, because I know best in terms of look and feel and function wise. Then you all see whether you all can agree and accept my proposal to you. So that's what I'll do lah. So in the meantime, right, to all the clients out there, I think it's important that you know what you want. Otherwise, you don't know what you want, I also don't know what I want, then designer also don't know, then everybody don't know, just sit there and what, 你看我看你 cannot be, right? Somebody has to know what they want. Usually the designers will know what they want, but it's whether you can take it or not as a client. So yeah, very important all this. You must know that. If not the designer, I mean, we're really not God long. We cannot read your mind. You have to tell us what you want, okay? So Pearly, hang in there. In the meantime, breathe in, breathe out. And try to make the best out of the situation. Can one. You just have to have patience and be convincing in your point of view. Let them know. I know better, okay? I tell you. You listen, okay? You try to understand, and then we're all good. Like that Hey, you get scolded by client, don't say I teach you one. I'm only giving my 2 cents worth in terms of what I'll do, but you don't hamtam me, okay, if clients hamtam you.